Hey, what's up everybody? Well, as you can see, we're about to wash this thing for the very first time. I don't know the last time it was washed, but we're gonna get it scrubbed down. We're gonna use the SOS pads, get that surface rust off, all those little spots that you see, those will be gone. And then after that, we're gonna have to let it dry for a little bit, but we're about ready to start clear coating it. So stick with us. We're gonna hurry and scrub this thing down. All right, everybody, we're in for the halftime checkup, but it's probably actually closer to like the first quarter. We're only a little bit done with this. We've done the roof and I started doing the hood and the fender, but I kind of want to show you guys how important it is to use good stuff. These little SOS pads really fix this truck. So I want to show you what it does to the paint. This is very old oxidized paint. Definitely don't do this to your nice new paint, but for those old cars and old trucks that you're trying to bring back, and we're gonna clear coat this eventually, so it's okay to scuff up the paint, but we're also removing the oxidation. And I wanna show you how good this stuff does. It's a big difference. Take you in for a closer look. You can see the very obvious difference between these two sides of the hood. You can kind of even see where it's only about halfway through. I haven't finished that section right there, but you can kind of see as we're removing that oxidation, there's some nice dark paint underneath that oxidation. And so if we can get a lot of this removed, we'll be able to clear coat this thing and it'll look nice. So we're working on it bit by bit. You guys can see the obvious difference. That looks pretty good. That blue's starting to come back. I like it. You can even see how much of that oxidation came off because it's running down that paint. Looks really good. We'll just keep on keeping on. All right, so as you can see, we're starting to scrub on the white paint, and you can see all these marks. Watch what this SOS pad does. See how much better stuff cleaned up. Yeah, there's still spots there, but there's no more rust. We're gonna get rid of all that rust. All right, everybody, we're back. I'm tired, like that was a lot. So it was like 13 hours or something. Let me show you the difference, if you can tell at all. Let's walk around it so you guys can see there's still little marks on it, but they're not rusty. Cleaned all that up. Even up on top, there's marks, but it's not rusty. Sprayed the crud out of those wheels. I don't know if you noticed, but this guy, he had 3 different shades of wheel. There's black, there's gray, right? See those? Turned out really nice, actually. Got a lot of that oxidation off. That paint pretty much gonna look like that when we're done. You can see how good that looks. Got a lot darker, but look at that. You got a white one, a gray one, and the black one on the other side. What's going on here? So, yeah. And then inside, you can kind of see that's pretty dark. Once that gets some clear coat on it, maybe, right? Got the carpet shampooed yesterday. Looks good. This seat cover is garbage, but we tried it out. We're probably gonna get a different one. So, but it's looking pretty good. Got it pretty cleaned up. It's coming along. Scrubbed out the bed. We're gonna clear coat that. And then we went and got the factory paint colors matched on this. So we're gonna paint that so it matches along there. Have blue along the top, white, and then blue along the very, very bottom there. Hopefully it'll turn out all right. Guess you guys will see. You can tell us how you think. All right, we're done for today. This is it. We're done. It's a wrap, okay? We scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed. But I think we're gonna finish up that tailgate right there, and then we're gonna clear coat this thing, and that's about it. We are gonna paint the wheels. We're gonna paint all those wheels. We're gonna paint them white. Touch up a little bit of paint. I think that's about it, honestly. We'll let you guys see how it turns out. Just keep following along and you'll see what happens. In the meantime, we'll see you on the next one.